This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Honda Civic. It has a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 24,000 miles on the odometer. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Honda of Princeton for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 987 State Road in Princeton.